Aphasia is a language disorder that can happen after a stroke or other brain injury. It can affect speaking, understanding, reading, and writing. Aphasia does not mean someone has lost their intelligence. You may know exactly what you want to say and still have trouble finding the word. A conversation may move too quickly. Reading may take longer. Writing may suddenly require much more work. In Neuroplasticity City, we call this part of the journey the underpass. But the underpass is not the whole city. Neuroplasticity City lets you explore the brain from the inside. The frontal burrow helps us understand planning, attention, decision-making, organization, and executive function. The temporal burrow connects language, hearing, memory, and processing. The parietal burrow helps us understand sensation, movement, body awareness, and space. And the occipital burrow helps us understand vision and visual processing. Different parts of the brain have different jobs, but they do not work alone. The burrows communicate. The routes connect. That is why a brain injury can affect more than one part of everyday life. And it is also why recovery can involve finding new ways through the city. You do not have to navigate that city alone. A speech-language pathologist can help with communication, language, and strategies for everyday life. Augmentative and alternative communication devices can provide another route when spoken language is difficult. Support groups can connect people with others who understand aphasia firsthand. The National Aphasia Association provides education and aphasia resources. Aphasia Recovery Connection connects people with aphasia and families to community and support. The Aphasia Resource Collaboration Hub offers programs, education, and opportunities to connect. Programs like the Aphasia Fantasy Football League can even create connection around something people already love. There may not be one perfect road through recovery. That is okay. Start by learning the map. Explore the burrows. Follow the connections. And begin understanding your brain from the inside. Reroute, rebuild, recover, rediscover,